Okay, REO-Outdoors, February 8th, 2023, and it is 1500 hours. This is part 2. Like, share, subscribe. Laugh at this crazy old guy because, you know, I'm human and I do mess up. So if you watched part 1, you saw that I came to retrieve my tree stand and I forgot my climbing sticks to get up to my first stick that was about 12 foot in the air. But here I am. Hopefully you can see that I'm loaded. I did get it down. So I started off and found a chunk of tree that was broken and used that as a ladder. So then I had ropes tied in knots and hoops, and I had tie down straps, and I was able to use the ropes and the stuff I needed to get up to the first actual climbing stick that I had left in the tree. And with a lot of huffing and puffing and no cussing, whew, this is bad news for an old man. So I am finally headed back out. I am thankful that I was able to have enough sense to have ropes and tie down straps and other stuff to in my sack. Thankful I was able to find a fallen down tree and use that as a ladder. That's a pretty good tracks right there. If that's a coon, that's a pretty big track. So, 3 p.m., 1500 hours, I am on my way back out of here. Part 2. This has got to be a good area to hunt, man. This little creek thingy right here, and like I said, it goes south to a bigger creek, that flowing creek back that way, a few hundred yards. It's a nice thick little travel route that the evidence shows that there are deer here. So I'm seeing all kinds right now. I'm just coming across all kinds of fresh poop on this trail right here. Oh, good thing is I'm not, a huge distance away from the truck. So beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. Thankful that I found my old timer hunting hat that I thought I had lost on the trail back during gun season. I found this hat that I'm wearing in the bottom of this rucksack today. Like I said, I thought I had lost it on a hunt during deer season, gun season, and I know where I was at, and basically, if I would have had the time and just basically the effort to go back out, because I know what kind of route that I took to when I came out of the woods. I thought I had lost it and left it at the tree or dropped it somewhere along the trail. I could have easily went back, but like I said, it was dark when I come out of the woods, and I was just very bad and procrastinated about going back to look for it. This hat's been around a long time. Seen a lot of miles. Oh, think it was somewhere like 1980, 1990, 1991, somewhere around about that was I got my first bow kill on Halloween day. Blue Cross Blue Shield was on strike, and I had the day off. Spent the time in the woods, and I was actually wearing this hat on that day. My kids have seen me wearing this hat for many, many years. And between my boys and I have not been able to find another one like it. So I am happy, happy that it has been found. I've done that before with stuff, right? Put things away in the bottom of a sack, in the bottom of a box, way in the back of a closet somewhere. And stuff gets piled on it. I've had things like that, and then, you know, a year or two later, oh, look at that. It wasn't lost at all. This dingbat just forgot where he put it when he put it up. Yep. I'm glad that I like this spot because it's not that far off the road. Easy to get into and out of. Thing is too that there are plenty of other hunters that think the same way I do. Come across a couple guys. It's evening bow hunting. They were just right there. That little bushy spot right there. They were sitting on little stools, crowded back into the bushes, looking for something to come or go out of this cornfield, and scared everybody on both sides because I walked up quietly and they didn't see me coming. I didn't see them there. But I know back farther, after they cross the creek back there, come across a tree stand way back in there. I think I come across two. I know there was at least two, maybe three trail cams back there, scoping out the thick stuff in and around the creek, the thick stuff, and all that. Okay, I'm back to the truck. Like, share, subscribe. Love y'all. And remember, if you're outside, you're enjoying Mother Nature, it can't be bad. Even if you screw up and forget your climbing sticks. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your neighbors and friends about that crazy old man, REO-Outdoors. All right, love you, bye.